Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know that I haven't been posting any videos lately, but everything's been well, just been very busy, but I'm going to share with you a haul. This is from Globleland. So Globleland did contact me and asked me if I wanted to do a collab with them, and they gave me a credit, so I was able to obtain some beautiful stamps and projects that I'll be sharing with you. But for now it's a haul, so I'm going to show you what I got. And in the next two videos, or pretty soon, I'll have two project shares, two tutorials on how I use some of these items. So first off, I got these beautiful plants. They're small, but they're perfect for a tag. You're going to make tags, ephemera. And it has a whole bunch of plants on it. It has aloe, and it has echinacea. And yeah, it has a lot of their scientific names too. So eucalyptus, plantago, I don't even know how you pronounce that, but you get the idea of all the plants that are on this stamp. And they're all individual stamps, so you have quite a collection here, but it's very pretty. So that's one. The next one is, there are these cute cats and dogs. Also a big variety of clear stamps on the sheet. I'm gonna take this out. As you can see, it has the kitties, a bone, a dog, the paws, and more doggies, and there's like a doggy door. More cats, two cats, and here a little bed, even a fish tank. Isn't that adorable? That is so pretty. A ball. And then it has those squiggly lines like they're, movement. So for stamping, this is perfect as well. And then I got this one. This one I thought was so cute. It's perfect for little, for cards and even for gift tags. Look at that. It's a frame, and it's a family. It looks like a family, like a mom and a dad, a child, a baby. Looks like grandma and grandpa, mom and dad. So it's a nice variety, and what I love about it, it has a little frame enclosed. So definitely a lot of cute coloring can be done with this. And I'm going to leave a coupon code below and the link so you can check this out in case you want to purchase some items from Globleland. I do have a coupon code below, so you're welcome to use it. And then the last one was this beautiful mushroom stamp. I got this more for tags and junk journals. I figured this would come in handy. So it's a total of 4 stamps, of course, and it's mushrooms. And it has lettering, numbers, a stamp. This is like a receipt. This one is dated Thursday. This one too has like a stamp. Now it is one entire stamp. So it's perfect. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I am so thankful for this haul, and I look forward to showing you the items I'm going to create with these. So the coupon code is MEJIA10, MEJIA 10, and you get 10% off. Their prices are very reasonable. So the shipping's also very reasonable. So just the shipping time. And again, it's worth just to give it a shot. So check out the coupon code below. I'm going to try to link these items if I can find them below too, so you can check them out as well. Well, I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.